In this video, I'll show you how to use quadratic formula in a quadratic equation. Here is the given formula that we will use in this topic. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2 times a. Now we have the first given. We have 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals 0. And we will use the formula. And here, hanapin natin yung a, b, and c. So we have a equals 2. Yan. And then b equals negative 5. And c is 2. Now, once again, let's use our formula. So, let me write here the formula. X equals sa numerator, meron tayong negative 5. Okay? So, and then we have plus or minus square root of our b is negative 5 once again. So, negative 5 squared minus 4, and then we have 2 times 2. In the denominator, we have 2 times a, okay, which is 2. Okay, so now we will use calculator to find the roots, and then but let me write first the root number 1, okay, and then root number 2. Let's leave it blank first, no? Let's wait for our calculator. So, ang gagawin natin dito is itatype ko lang yung mga value ng A, B, and C natin, and we will use the formula. No? Mahalaga na sundin natin yung itsura ng formula natin dito. Okay? So, kung ano yung sinulat ko doon, susulat ko lang dito ulit. No? Dito sa tinype kong formula, kapag ka-plus yung ating operation, so we have 2. Ayan, so yung first root natin is yung 2. At kapag ka naman minus ang ating operation, so we have 0.5. O kaya naman 1/2 kapag ka kinonvert natin into fraction. Okay? So ito yung ating root number 2. So now we have the 2 roots, and that will be our final answer. Okay, so to verify if our roots are correct, no? So yan nyo lang yan, no? I-check nyo lang yan. Input lang natin si 2 dito sa equation. Ayan. So, and yes, 0 is equal to 0. Okay, for the second root, yan, input natin yan sa ating original equation. And that is 0 equals 0. For the last and final example, we have the equation 3x squared plus 5x equals 3. As you can see, hindi pa siya nakaayos sa standard form, no? So, ang una natin gagawin dyan ay i-arrange natin ang equation muna, no? So, I'll subtract negative 3 both sides para maging 0 yung kabilang equation. So, we have 3x squared plus 5x and then minus 3. Okay, nalipat si 3 sa kabilang side, no? Now, let's have our leading coefficient. We have a equals 3, b equals 5, and c equals negative 3. For the next step, let's use the formula. We have x equals negative b, which is we have 5, plus or minus square root of 5 squared minus 4 times a, which is 3 times c, negative 3 naman. All over 2 times a, we have 2 times 3. Now, let's write the 2 roots muna dito, no? We have first root and second root. Then after that, let's proceed to the calculator. Ito, unahin natin yung taas, no? Ang una lumabas ay 0.468 kapag plus yung ginamit nating sign. So ayan, 0.47 approximately. That is our first root. And kapag minus symbol naman, no, ang lalabas ay negative 2.135 or approximately that is negative 2.14. That is our second root. At ngayon, alam na natin kung paano mag-compute ng mga roots using quadratic formula. See you sa next lesson!